Hey y'all, welcome to Art of the Budget. My name's Nicole. My pronouns are she and her, and I live in the Pacific Northwest on the traditional unceded territory of the Coast Salish Nations. It is the weekend and it's time to check in on our budgets together. If you like this kind of content, please subscribe. Let me know down below. I always forget to say that stuff, but it would be great to know if you're enjoying what I'm sharing here. Anyway, it's been a pretty good week. Overall, the month has been a bit hectic, as you know, if you've watched my past budget check-ins, but it is the end of the month. So after I do this budget check-in, I'm going to go ahead and do my budget reconciliation. And I've already gotten ready for next month, so I'll be sharing that as well over the next week. Let's see what I have spent this week. Okay, so first of all, I just shared $50 with a friend's GoFundMe. It actually ends up being 55 because you leave a tip for the platform. So that's going to go into stimulus sharing. So let me go ahead and plop it down there. I almost have enough still left in sharing my income, but I just want to make sure that I've added everything that comes automatically out of there, this 60-75. Next on the list, I have actually a really exciting thing. That is my renter's insurance. So I'm just okay with my sinking funds, but renter's insurance and car registration are two that I've been really good at. And so that came out this month automatically, and I just moved it over from my little place that my bank was putting $10 a month towards it every month. So that comes right out. So I'm going to scroll down to insurance and tax. So yeah, $10 a month comes out, and I'm going to go ahead and spend that. So it was 104. I think the first year it went up quite a bit, and so I just brought this amount up to make sure that I wasn't surprised by that. But it didn't seem to go up so much this year. We'll see. Anyway, next on the list is I go up to household. I had allocated $50. I did get my Who Gives a Crap shipment, so not sponsored, although Who Gives a Crap, be happy to work with you. I have to say that I've been getting them for a few years now. I've really only gotten like 6 shipments, maybe, max, and it lasts me a long time. I still have plenty right now, but I figured it couldn't hurt. I always put off the shipment because I guess maybe I'm supposed to use more toilet paper. But anyway, it was time for it to ship, and I figured might as well have it in stock in case there's any weird second wave toilet paper shortages. I was really happy to share toilet paper with my friends and even my students in some cases last year, so I just went ahead and went for it. It was $52.51 including tax. I did get gas, and that was $23.46. I went to Safeway today and I bought a gallon of almond milk and some boneless buffalo chicken wings because that was the day I was having. I just needed to have chicken wings for lunch. So that was $8.44. I was really trying not to buy anything else, but I ran out of milk, and I'm the kind of person I need to have my coffee. I do put milk and sugar in my coffee, and I need that in the morning to survive. So next, I spent $17.99 at Amazon. This was absolutely a impulse purchase. I bought 1.5 pounds of soy curls. So as I just discussed, I eat chicken, I eat meat. I do try to ethically source my meat for the most part, and I don't necessarily eat a ton of it. It's not the main source of nutrition in my diet, but I do enjoy and feel like my body does better with some animal protein. But I follow a lot of vegan YouTubers, only ones who are not too deep in diet culture because ew. But I'll drop a couple of my favorites down below. Anyway, I've been hearing a lot about soy curls, and even though I am personally not vegetarian, I do love protein sources that other cultures have used for millennia, like tofu, wheat gluten. I love that kind of stuff. And so I thought, like, hey, these look really good. It's kind of cool that they're shelf stable. You know, as you know, I've been kind of interested in my 2-week emergency earthquake supply situation. They are shelf stable and they're really easy to rehydrate. So I was interested. I've tried them. They're pretty good. I will try to drop like a recipe into like a what I eat in a day or something. But I have to say they're kind of expensive. I guess if I bought more, they might be cheaper. But $18.99 for 1.5 pounds is more expensive than organic chicken. But anyway, what are you gonna do? Obviously, if I wasn't able to eat meat, or I was choosing not to eat meat, they'd be a great option. And I think that even if you do eat meat, they are a great option. They have a really nice texture. I rehydrated them with chicken broth, and they were very delicious in a simple stir fry that I made. So anyway, just a little side note. I wouldn't buy them from Amazon if I could avoid it. I just haven't seen them anywhere locally, and I really wanted to try them. This package took like a million years to get here, even though it was like supposed to be next day shipping. So anyway, that's what you get from ordering from Amazon. So $17.99. I'll put that in groceries. I'm way over, but what are you gonna do? And then I bought some plants. I forgot to add them when I went on my little safe, socially distanced trip last week. I actually bought some plants, including one for my friend who I think is gonna pay me back, but I'm not too worried about it. So that was $30, and I'm gonna put that into fun, which, oh look, is it possible that I'm not over in fun? Yay. Well, that's a nice note to end on. Let me know how your budget was for August and how you're doing. And hey, if you've gone back to school or anything like that, let me know about that down below. We are still a month away from fall quarter starting here where I work. But anyway, it's great to see you. I hope your budget's doing well. I hope you enjoyed checking in together, and I will see you in the next video.